So today I will show you how much money I made only from trading in 24 hours. I will show you all my trades, I will show you for how much I buy and for how much I sold, and then we are going to calculate how much money I made in 24 hours. I will show you strategy which I used, but before that I just want to show you this. Basically, this is huge whale and he is dropping so many MOBOX and he is dumping price a lot. He is over here. In last 24 hours he took around $5 million from MOBOX. So this over here, this dump, this dump, this dump, and this huge dump overnight when price was going really high, he dumped everything and then from that sell off. So question would be where this would go if that guy don't dump price all the time. So yeah, this is not financial advice. Everything in this video is only for entertaining purposes. I really don't know what to think about MOBOX anymore because there is just too many whales which are dropping price all the time. But anyway, that's not what this video is about. I just wanted to show you. By the way, I forget to say, this guy still have 4 million to dump, so I have no clue what to say. So in my 24-hour challenge, this is everything I traded, and there should be way more, but it's not showing every single trade because after, I don't know, 100 trades, it's going to disappear. So I have just some. And what I really find out cool is this bundle selling. When you can buy so many from once, you can always get them for cheaper price. So that's some tip, let's say, but they're coming really rare and some of them are not worth. You just need to check every single one Momo which they are selling and then see price on market. But thing which I was using to do this, basically I know what is market price. For example, this Fry guy, his price is 45, and if I type here Fry, you can see that if I buy this one, I can sell it for like 56, and then that's $11 profit minus transaction fees $1.5. That would be like $9.5 profit only from this guy. But problem with trade like this is that if I try to buy it, I will actually not succeed because there are some bots which auto buying every single Momo which is underpriced. So for example, if I try to buy this spike, actually let me try to buy this. I will just show you how it's work. I will need to pay 0.4 BNB to buy this, so it's impossible. You see, it's asking me 0.4 BNB only for transaction, and if you calculate how much is that, basically they want me to pay $183 in transaction fees for something what cost $45. So I don't know how this works. I believe that's some buyback system which MOBOX devs make, so they auto buy those undervalued items. For example, this guy is bought by this address, but I have no clue who is that, and I have no clue why those players can buy them, and I, for example, need to pay so much fees. For example, if I want to buy this one, I will need to pay only 0.0017 BNB. So I still don't get it. I didn't find anything about why for this undervalued Momos transaction fees is so high, but I believe the game is made like this so they make more money. We will never know. So anyway, now how I was looking for them who to buy, I was just going over here, all qualities, price last time, and then over here you need to go and check new listings, because if you don't do it, someone will buy it, because I'm not only guy who is doing this strategy. Also, you need to know what is usual price for common, uncommon, and unique. For example, over here I made myself what is lowest price. For example, for common, 1 day ago price was 47.5, right now is 54, so price go up a lot, and it was total 1125 momos, and 1 day ago it was 1057. So more momos are on market right now, but price is way higher. Then for uncommon, price was 27, right now is 35, and total momos 1127, and 1 day ago it was 1163. So price go up a lot, but there is around same amount of momos in market. And then last unique average price was 39, and there was so many momos, and right now average price is 38, same as here, because 38 just this one, and then price is like 40. This guy is actually good to buy. Maybe I will get lucky. If I can buy it, I can make like $3 profit. Yeah, I just took that guy, and if we go here, we can see minimum price for one guy is 44. So if I just go here, I put it for 43.9, and if this actually sold, then only on this trade I would make 44. I would make like $9 minus 1.5 for transaction, easy profit. So anyway, those are trades which I made in 24 hours. Over here you can see 5 bundles I buy for 187. Each one of them which I buy, this is price for how much I sold them, and this is final price what I got from that 5 momos, and this is for how much I pay. Then over here you can see every single name, for how much I took them, for how much I sold them, and what was profit. And of course this profit is before transaction fees. So all of these which don't have price, that mean they're still over here, they're still listed. I didn't sold them yet, so hopefully I will sell them soon. But yeah, they're still here. Every single trade is over here. If you want, you can pause and like calculate yourself. There we go. And then over here are only ones which I sold, without those which are still on market. So basically altogether I took around 4 bundles, but only this one I made like this. Usually what I was doing, for example, over here I took 4 of them and I made them like solo purchase, so it's easier to calculate what is profit from each one. Anyway, this is all my trades. All together in 24 hours I made $249.21. It was 43 trades, so all of this should be 43 trades. On each trade, in average, I was paying $1.4 for transaction, which is minus $60.2 only for all of this to sell and buy. So 0.7 is for put them on market and $0.7 is for selling. So when we calculate how much altogether I made minus transaction fees in BNB, in 24 hours I made clean $189. All these buys costed me around $1,000, and this is goodbye. This is goodbye. Maybe I can buy this as well. Jacko, I believe that's really high price on market. If you are lucky, Jacko. Oh, never mind. But it's still like $8 profit. If I can. Okay, I got it. What was price? 43.8. 43.8. So what I was saying, I invest in those sells and buys around $1,000, and in one day, 24 hours, I made $189 profit. And if I had rare full collection, for example, let's say this is cheapest one, and let's say I need to add $150 for full collection, but it's actually way higher because right now all price are so high for full collection. For example, this guy, if you want full collection, you're gonna pay extra 40, extra 35, extra 58, so around 150. So let's say $2,000 for one full collection, then you're gonna get 350 hash power, for example, and you're gonna get for that 330 hash power 4.1, 4.2 MOBOX a day, which is equal with price right now 17.7. So now 2,000 euro you're gonna pay for full rare collection if you're lucky, and you are going to get $17.7 a day. That's passive, you don't need to do anything for that. Or you're gonna spend some time in market. Of course, that could be different. For example, if price go down and everything drop, you're gonna still lose money probably. So it's not risk free. It's not financial advice. But with 1,000 euro, you're gonna make $189. And if you put 2,000 euro, for example, how much one rare collection cost, you're gonna make double, so 378. In good scenario, don't forget, you can still lose money. Don't think this is free money. You need to play smart. What is this? Okay, on this trade, we just made, I don't know, like $6 profit after tax, after transaction fees. So you can see, I was recording this video and I just made this trade. It's pretty simple, but still, please guys, I'm saying you 100 times, it's not that easy. You can still lose money. All you need to do, you need to check what you're buying before you buy. So basically for listing, you have around 2 minutes to go over here. For example, this booba fish. You just go booba fish, common ones, and you check price. For example, this is extremely good because you can buy all 3 of those and then sell them for like $90. I actually think to do this. Wait, what? Oh, never mind. What I was checking, that was weird. I guess I checked another fish. Anyway, that's not goodbye. What could happen, for example, this raccoon, I took it for around 49, I'm not sure. Or even better, Chi. I put it on market, $134. And what you should do from time to time, you need to go on market and see if someone put another one below your price. For example, this is 134. You go to market, you go check if someone put it for better price. Mine is over here, and there is 3 people which put there better than mine. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put mine for 127, and then mine is first. If someone needs it, someone wants to buy, I'm going to be first on market and he's going to buy mine. This is really important as well, so please listen carefully. After my video, there will be a lot of people which will see, okay, this guy made $187 or how many in 24 hours. I want to do the same. So what will happen about this video? There will be 50 new traders which will go and use same strategy. So it's gonna be really harder to get good price, and it's going to be extremely harder to sell your fishes, your momos, because right now everybody will put better prices, and then or your momo won't sell, or you're gonna need to check your price all the time and put better price than other people, and that's only way how you will be able to sell. 57.7. So basically that's all. If you respect what I do, if you want to see more videos of me in MOBOX, please subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. That's all, and have a great day.